Hello, Oscarito. Good evening. Oscarito, hello.
Evening, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Excellent. How was your day?
I'm good. I have one exam.
Oh, really?
Yes.
And how was it? Was it difficult?
Um. Yes. The exam. It's the math. Math.
Okay. And what's your favorite subject at school?
Science.
You like science, okay. And what about math? Do you think it's good or not?
No.
You
I
don't
don't.
like it? Okay. And what is the subject that you dislike?
Don't.
What is the subject?
Math. Math.
Math, okay. Yes, when I was at school, I didn't like math either.
No.
I'm not so good.
No, not good.
Okay, excellent. Hello, class. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, teacher. And you?
I'm fine. Here with this terrible weather, but anyway, we don't have another option.
No, there is an option.
No,
Right now, I have headache a little bit.
maybe because of the weather, right?
Yes.
Yes, I know. It's
Uh-huh.
terrible.
It's
Okay,
terrible. Thank
I
you.
know. Thank you. Hello, Ivania. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
It's a great day. It's my best friend birthday.
Okay, excellent. Kelvin, how are you today? How is the internet today? Is it working?
Good evening, teacher.
Evening.
I don't know if my internet will be working uh, during the class.
Okay.
Yesterday, my internet was down, and and it was and this was the reason because
Okay.
I don't was participating in the class.
Okay, that's why you didn't participate. And I understand because remember sometimes that happens to everyone. For me, that is a problem sometimes that last class, I guess. No, last week. That was last week. It was very difficult for me because of the internet. The signal was not so good. But thank you. Welcome to the class, okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Emmanuel, how are you today?
Teacher, thanks.
Okay, thank you. Eugenio, good evening.
Good evening, teacher. I'm
How are
fine.
Okay, excellent. How was your day?
Um, I'm really busy, but finished all my activities.
Okay. Do you go to the university? Yes, right? No.
No.
Oh,
I'm finished.
okay. Excellent. Very good. But are you working?
Yes, I'm working.
Where do you work?
Landscaping.
Okay.
Es como jardinería. Okay.
Landscaping, okay. I have a company of that.
Really?
Yes.
Where is your company?
We are from Santa Ana.
Oh, it's
Yes,
so far.
it is. And hopefully, well, thank God we have clients from Santa Ana, San Salvador, and Sonsonate. So we go to those places.
Happen,
Yes,
four, places, no?
3 places, Santa Ana,
No,
Sonsonate,
three.
San Salvador. And
Oh,
some
yeah,
I go to Santa Tecla.
in the future.
Yes, of course. And do you have your own company too? No, you work with someone else?
I work in US.
Oh, got it. Okay. And how is it? But you told me that you are from, so you don't live in San Miguel.
No, oh my God, I live it.
You lived. That's why you are telling that the weather in San Miguel is good because right now you are not here.
Because in San Miguel, all the time is hot.
No, but believe me, this is terrible. Believe me.
And it never change the weather.
Mm.
Or maybe
I
at the
hope so.
night is a little cold, but in the morning,
Okay.
3 a.m.
Well, here, at least in Santa Ana, in the morning, sometimes I wake up and if I don't have the fan, I'm sweating. Believe me. Yes, it's terrible. Now it's changing a lot.
Oh no, in San Miguel changes a little in the morning.
Okay, that's good. Excellent. Well, thank you so much. Chris, how are you? Nice to see you again.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Now my day was wonderful. And I am happy to see you again.
Okay, very good. I was like asking, where is Chris? Because I didn't see you last week, right? You were not in the class.
Yeah.
Okay, so welcome back.
Thank you.
Nathanael, hello, good evening.
Hello, teacher. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, how was your day, Nathanael?
I'm very nice. I was only in the house, wearing glassing the window.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Thank you. Nice to see you. Diana, welcome.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
What
Sorry,
happened to
but
you? Okay.
yes, I was a little sick.
Oh.
I don't know how to say it, padezco.
Let me
Oh,
look for that word. No.
migraine. Migraine.
Oh, yes. Padecer, right?
Oh,
Oh,
maybe or
I suffer.
I suffer.
Migraine.
I suffer of migraine, and sometimes it's very difficult to see the screen or the light, and it's difficult for me because I don't, I can concentration
Concentrate.
in concentrate in activity on one activity on.
Yes, I have heard about it and I know that I mean, you don't want to see any light, right?
Yes.
Okay. And the word that is migraine, okay? Excellent.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I hope that you feel much better today.
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
very good.
better.
Okay,
Thank
thank you. Jessica, hello.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you today?
It was a good day.
What do you do?
Well, in the morning, I make exercise. I try to make every day or 3 or 4 days a week.
Okay.
And in the afternoon, I went with my sister, and no,
Okay.
that's all.
Thank you so much. All right, guys. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. We're gonna start with the class. I'm just gonna take the attendance quickly. Let's see, Emmanuel. Evelyn is not here. Xiomara. Ivania. Nathanael. Natalie's not here. Wendy's not here. Natalie Marielo's not here. Andrea. No. Diana, yes. Jessica. Kelvin. Eugenio. Diana Cristabel. Cristabel, what is your last name?
Is Larin o Garcia.
Larin Garcia. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, and then Oscar Morales. Thank you so much. So thank you, guys. Let's start with the class. Let's make a feedback quickly and tell me, what do you remember about our last class? What can you tell me? Some comments, examples? Who? Please, quickly. Any comments about yesterday class? What did we study, or what are we studying? Xiomara.
Yesterday, we saw the topic about the how to make baked macaroni and cheese. And we make another receipts.
Okay, yes.
Yes, I remember that.
Thank
only.
you. And do you remember the vocabulary that we were using in the procedure of cooking or preparing the dish? What do we use?
First, then next,
Finally, after
Finally.
finally,
Very
the sequence of the steps, maybe.
Yes, very good, Eugenio. That is the sequence advert. So we have
Okay,
first,
sequence advert.
then second, okay, finally, etc. Right? That's what we were using. Evelyn, good evening.
Hi, teacher. Good evening.
How are you today?
I'm tired and I'm being a little bad of health.
Oh, no, I'm sorry to
My
hear
health
that.
is little bad. Little bad.
Okay, I'm sorry, Evelyn. I hope you can feel much better tomorrow.
Okay, teacher. Thanks.
Thank you for being in the class, okay? So thank you, Eugenio, and the others that were giving me some comments. Now I will show you in the book. Let's see. Oscarito, I will send the picture again so you can see what we are working on the book, okay?
Yes, I see the
Do you
book.
want the picture? Because you don't have the book, right?
No, don't have the book.
Okay, let me take a screenshot and I will send it here in the group.
Okay, in the chat or
Here in the chat, yes.
okay.
Let's see. Okay. There it is, Oscarito, if you want to check. So we have more vocabulary that it's going to help you for the activity that we have to present next week. And it says, how do you make it? We have other vocabulary. It says, listen to people explained how to make these snacks. Which snacks are they talking about? And then we have to number the photos from 1 to 4. And there is an extra photo, okay? So we have spaghetti, chocolate chip cookies, salsa, French toast, and popcorn. So the first activity is listen to people, okay, to explain how to make these snacks. Which snacks are they talking about? You will listen to the first people and imagine that the person is describing, and then you say, for me, the first one is the chocolate chips cookies, okay? Let's listen, please. Please, you have to number from 1 to 4, but we have 5 pictures. So 1 is going to be out. Pay attention.
Page 26. Exercise 11. Listening. How do you make it? Part A. Listen to people explain how to make these snacks. Which snack are they talking about? Number the photos from 1 to 4. There is one extra photo. 1.
This snack is one of my favorites. First, take a couple tomatoes and chop them. Next, chop half an onion and a little cilantro and put them in with the tomato. After that, you chop a small jalapeno pepper and add that in. Then, put in some lemon or lime juice. Finally, add a little salt and pepper. It's healthy and great with chips.
2.
This is really easy. First, you put a little oil in a pan. Then heat the oil. Next, put in the kernels and cover the pan. When the kernels start to pop, shake the pan gently every few seconds. In about a minute, the popping will slowly stop. After that, turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl. Finally, put a little salt on it and enjoy.
3.
My grandpa taught me how to make this easy breakfast. First, put egg, vanilla, and cinnamon in a bowl and mix them together. Stir in the milk. Then dip slices of bread in the mixture so both sides of the bread are wet. Cook the bread in a pan on medium heat until both sides are golden. It's delicious with maple syrup.
4.
My mom and I always used to make these. You need butter, sugar, egg, flour, and salt. Oh, and chocolate, of course. First, mix the butter, sugar, and egg together. Then add the flour and salt. Next, add the chocolate and mix it all together. Finally, make balls with the mixture and put them on a tray. Bake in the oven for 8 minutes. I love to eat them with a glass of milk.
Okay, now let's see. What is picture number 1? Which snack this person is talking about?
Salsa.
Salsa.
That is the salsa, right? Thank you so much. Which ingredients did you listen in this recipe?
Tomatoes, cilantro, onion.
Onion.
Jalapeno. Salt.
Jalapeno, right?
Lemon.
Not
Very
just.
Yes,
Salt.
it sounds good, right? Thank you so much, guys. Number 2, what is picture number 2?
Corn.
I see the popcorn.
Do you like popcorn?
Yes.
Yeah. When do you eat popcorn?
When I watch today.
Okay, when you watch TV, right? Or sometimes when you want to watch a movie.
When I see
Yes,
a
movie is not specific.
Sorry?
I like to make teacher popcorn, but butter and caramel.
Oh, okay. So you like the sweet popcorn?
Yes.
I like the ones with butter, the normal ones and the ones with butter, but the sweet ones, I'm not a big fan of it, but I have
Really?
tried it and it's good. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. Eugenia, what do you say?
No, nothing. I prefer normal popcorn.
Okay, yes, right. Not too much things on it.
It's
Thank
just too easy, mate.
Of course. You just put the bag in the microwave and that's all, right?
And ready for it.
Exactly. Thank you. What is picture number 3?
French toast.
Chocolate chip.
French
No?
toast.
French toast. Ingredients. How do you prepare it? Who can tell me?
Milk,
Butter, eggs.
Milk.
Oscarito?
Bread.
Milk.
Bread.
Honey.
So you
Sugar.
put milk.
And honey. Honey.
Also, you can put that on it, okay? And also, what else? What else do you put? What are the ingredients?
Butter, eggs.
butter.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Have you prepared this before?
No.
It's easy, very, very easy. You don't have to complicate. Just
Me
put
too.
the egg. Yes, the
It's like
milk.
to pancake.
Yes, it's very similar. But what you have to do is you have the bread, then, well, that's the way I do it. I put
Oh, I got it. So only put something between the two bread. No?
That's easier for you.
Okay.
No, what
It's
you
too
have to
easy.
do is in the recipe, you put milk, egg, cinnamon, vanilla, and then you mix it. Then you put the bread in it, okay? And then you put it in a pan, both sides. It's easy. And then you can put honey, as Oscarito said, right? And the last one, what is number 4?
Chocolate chips
Chocolate
cookies.
chips cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies. Very good. Thank you so much. Now it says, listen again and check the steps you hear for each recipe. So in recipe 1, we listened, add and chopped. So what do you listen in second one, third, and fourth one? Pay attention and check the vocabulary that you listen or the steps that you listen.
Page 26. Exercise 11. Part B. Listen again. Check the steps you hear for each recipe. 1.
This snack is one of my favorites. First, take a couple tomatoes and chop them. Next, chop half an onion and a little cilantro and put them in with the tomato. After that, you chop a small jalapeno pepper and add that in. Then, put in some lemon or lime juice. Finally, add a little salt and pepper. It's healthy and great with chips.
2.
This is really easy. First, you put a little oil in a pan. Then heat the oil. Next, put in the kernels and cover the pan. When the kernels start to pop, shake the pan gently every few seconds. In about a minute, the popping will slowly stop. After that, turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl. Finally, put a little salt on it and enjoy.
3. My grandpa taught me how to make this easy breakfast. First, put egg, vanilla, and cinnamon in a bowl and mix them together. Stir in the milk. Then dip slices of bread in the mixture so both sides of the bread are wet. Cook the bread in a pan on medium heat until both sides are golden. It's delicious with maple syrup.
4.
My mom and I always used to make these. You need butter, sugar, egg, flour, and salt. Oh, and chocolate, of course. First, mix the butter, sugar, and egg together. Then add the flour and salt. Next, add the chocolate and mix it all together. Finally, make balls with the mixture and put them on a tray. Bake in the oven for 8 minutes. I love to eat them with a glass of milk.
Okay, so what about recipe number 2? What do you listen? What steps did you hear? Who? Please.
I remember say good, but not remember the step.
The first, I think that heat.
I would say heat. Yes, of course.
And then pour the milk.
Pour, okay, very good. What about number 3?
Here.
Is it steer?
Steer means this.
Here.
Steer. Mhm.
Then cook.
Okay,
Cook.
very good. And number 4,
Mix and bake.
mix and bake. Okay, very good. Thank you, guys.
Teacher,
Tell me.
I want a question. What is the difference when the mix and match?
Mix and mash.
Match.
Mash, it's like this. Okay. And then we have mix. Okay. Ivania?
Is no similar concept. And I search the word in internet and both the meaning is mezcla.
Sorry?
How
I search
do you say
this
mezcla?
word, but both the meaning is mezcla. Both words.
Mezclar, no.
Yes.
As a verb. Mezclar, yes.
But is same meaning in internet.
You have the same meaning in internet.
Yes.
Okay. So, for example, I was looking for that. Mash, it can be, for example, the potatoes. We mash the potatoes. And the other mix is this. Like when I have a lot of ingredients and then you mix them. Okay? But mash is not the same. Like mix. Okay?
Is when I use a mortero, right?
It can be, okay. Or also sometimes we do it with, there is a utensil. Hay una cosa como para aplastar. Okay? That can be the word, right? Como hacer puré algo, okay? That is the difference. The other one is like mix, mezclar, right? So now I want you to speak, okay? We have some questions. Please remember you have to practice, and it says, it's my favorite food. We have some questions like, what's your favorite food? Volunteer, who wants to practice with me right now? So who can tell me what's your favorite food?
Me, teacher.
Eugenio, what's your favorite food?
The chicken.
Okay.
Everything chicken.
And for you, Eugenio, is it easy to make it or to prepare it?
Yes, it's really easy.
Okay, but do you have like specific recipe with chicken, like what we say guisado, or I don't know, a specific way?
Chicken fries.
Fried chicken?
Fried chicken. Yes.
Okay. What else do you
But
put?
crunchy with this chicken.
Okay, very good.
Kentucky, for example. I love it. It's chicken of Kentucky.
Okay, you like Kentucky. And when you eat Kentucky or a fried chicken, what do you put? What are the meals, like acompañamientos, right? The meals.
So how do you say in salad?
Salad.
And ketchup.
Okay. And do you like French fries?
And French, how my God, I forget.
Fries.
Eso.
Very good. And now, how often do you eat fried chicken?
I would like to eat every day.
Okay. But right now, how often?
Every weekend maybe.
Okay.
It's necessary for me eat chicken.
Okay, very good. It's like for relaxing on weekends, you like to eat fried chicken, right?
Yes. For watch movies, I need to have chicken.
Okay, very good. And tell me, where do you usually eat fried chicken?
In my house.
Okay. And you
Maybe
have a
at the
specific
work.
place? Where you buy it? Do you have like a specific place, just Kentucky, or do you have another like place for buying it?
For the easier forget.
Okay.
Don Pollo is more accessible, more access for me.
Okay.
And if I have a Campero next, I bought Campero.
Okay, it's good. I really like it. And they have a crunchy one too. It's yummy. Thank you so much, Eugenio.
No
Good
problem.
job. So that's what you have to do, guys. I want you to speak with your classmate. Ask these questions, but if you want to ask more information, you can do it, okay? Okay, we have 10 minutes. Do you understand what you have to do? Practice these questions, and you can ask more information to your classmate, okay?
Got it.
And if you want to explain the recipe, try to use sequencing adverbs like, we have an example here. My favorite food is pizza, and it's not difficult to make. First, we need the flour, we need a water, we need oil, salt. I forget how to say levadura. Let me check. Levadura. That is powder. No. Let's see. Levadura. Oh.
Yeast.
Yeast. Okay, that is yeast. So I'm going to make the groups. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna make the groups, okay? And I want you to practice this. Try to use sequencing adverbs, the ingredients, okay? But ask a lot of information to your classmates, please, guys. Any question right now? No?
No.
Okay, please remember, make them speak. I want them to speak, okay? Here we go. Let me check. All right, here we go.
Oh, pepperoni. Pepperoni.
Oh, it's really good.
Yes.
I like. too.
Yeah, pepperoni. It's good.
Yeah. And okay, tell me, you can answer me or
What? Yes. What's your favorite food?
okay, for me, my favorite food is are pupusas. For me.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like.
What is your favorite pupusa?
Beans with cheese.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
A
better.
classic pupusa. I don't like the chicken with cheese, but it's good. It's a good
It's better the cheese and beans.
yes. And do you like loroco?
No, I don't like bulgogi.
Me too. I don't like.
Hi, Kelvin.
Hello, teacher.
Nathanael is there, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, are you practicing?
No.
Please, go ahead. Ask Nathanael, please.
Estoy intentando poner ahorita acá el libro sin que te me califique
No
la computadora.
Spanish, Nathanael, please. English.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Try to do it in English. You can do it. Nathanael, sorry, Kelvin, you can ask Nathanael, please, so you can start.
Okay. Well, what's your
Pay attention,
favorite?
Nathanael, please.
Can you repeat next good? I don't listen good.
What's your
Next question is, how often do you eat it?
I try to eat every weekend, but I love it. But if I can eat in my lunch, I ate chicken in my lunch.
Oh, in my case, I eat a hamburger maybe.
Yeah. So if I make a hamburger, it's not the same. So
No, when I make when I make no,
yeah.
no is the same taste.
No,
Flavor.
no, it's so different because the sauce is I don't know how made it.
Yes, it's true. Yeah, that's right. And you know, my favorite hamburger in Burger King is that add the mushroom. They have the mushroom. This I like too much.
In my case, I don't like Chinese food. Yes, I don't like. I prefer soaps and the other food, but Chinese food, not.
Delicious. The food I don't like is the soap. So I don't like the soap. Instead, the Maruchan soup is like I prefer. And the rest food I don't like. No, I don't like. No me gusta.
But the vegetable soup is healthy, and the merchant soup is not healthy. But it is delicious too. And now, in my case, I like the soap, specifically the chicken food soap. Sorry.